I literally just woke up. It is 7 p.m. in Amsterdam. I knew I couldn't check into my hotel till 3 p.m. So got on the train, which was super easy, so amazing. If you ever come to Amsterdam, go to the train, go straight to the train, which is connected to the airport. It is so convenient, and it was like €6 compared to like €50 with an Uber. Like, it's a no-brainer, and the trains are pretty nice here. It's very convenient, so that was amazing. I had a long layover for Amsterdam, decided to stay here a night until I meet up with my friend Sam tomorrow. But yeah, took a nice warm shower. I have a really good view outside my window, so I was just kind of like shooting. I took a nap. I woke up like literally 30 minutes ago, and it is 7 p.m. now, so kind of regretting that a little bit, just because now I have to wake up at 3 a.m. and go to the airport. We're gonna deal with that when that time comes. I am not looking forward to that. That's gonna really suck. But I got an Uber for that 3 a.m. wake up call because honestly, I don't want to deal with the train. I would just feel more comfortable if I had a car at like 3 a.m. and I'm alone. So we're gonna see how I feel when I get there. And then I have a 3-hour flight to Madeira, and then Sam is picking me up. So I can't wait. I'm ready to just go to bed. I hope I can fall asleep because I'm gonna pay for it tomorrow. I know I am. But we're gonna call it a night and see where it takes me tomorrow. Hopefully I don't miss my flight, because I have had major anxiety about it, about missing my flight. So hopefully I'll be good. We woke up super early the next day in hopes of getting some foggy conditions at Fennel Forest, but it actually ended up clear skies instead, but we were still making the most of it. I was feeling super jet-lagged today, but that didn't stop us from wanting to create in such a beautiful, beautiful place. Questionable choices by Lexie. And I have to do an ad for it, so yeah, it's okay. Yes! Oh my god, dude, we got woken up so early from this just constantly beeping, and we've been up since. Yeah, it's been a good time. Oh man, I'm so tired, but there's this view, so that's cool. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but we'll figure that out. Cheers! Yay! Yeah, last night sucked. Last night was terrible. We kept both waking up and then thinking that there was a hurricane going on outside. We were making dinner and everything was flooding. I can't even believe that.
That's crazy. Ugh.
The doors were like unlatching, coming open. The chairs were like being thrown everywhere outside. And then things beeping, things going off. It flooded. But it was a good experience. Don't know if I'll come.
What are you talking about?
The next day, we decided to come back to Fennell Forest in hopes of getting more foggy conditions, but it didn't really work out that way again. We were still happy to come back, but this time things actually took a turn for the worse.
Hey!
Hold on.
Lexie! I need something from you.
Right now?
Yeah, I just cut my finger pretty bad.
Oh, wait, okay, hold on one sec.
I need like a rag or something.
Now, before anyone says anything, accidents happen, and it is very easy to have an accident with an FPV drone. However, we ended up getting help, and everyone was super helpful that we talked to. Let me see. You. I'm just kidding.
No, you. I'm a girl. Oh, look at the guy.
Hi.
Look at him go.
Who are you?
Oh, he's like, look at chicks.
Oh, who's your owner?
Can I take you home?
What is happening today?
This is a weird day.
What is happening today? This is a weird day.
He's like, okay, I'm gonna come cuddle
He
with
literally
you guys.
is like just like chilling and following us to the hotel room.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. At the end of the trip, I actually didn't even realize how much I needed this. Sometimes I forget to take it all in. I forget to be present in the now. And it just makes me feel so lucky and grateful that I am able to do what I do. To be able to meet new people from across the world and create and just have a great time. That's really what life is about. I wish you guys all the positive vibes and just go out there and create. Do something out of your comfort zone. I promise it will lead to something great.